Wow, go on, viewers and subscribers, continue watch the video if you want to see more of Busy Signal performance at City Splash in London, UK. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So via subscribers, Busy Signal, the turf president, is at it again, and this time he performed at City Splash in London, and me nah go tell no lie, him delivered once again. As you all can see from the clip in the beginning of the video, the whole London went crazy when Busy run out on stage. And me nah go talk too long. Just check out the next clip of a Busy Signal performance at City Splash. I have it, dear subscribers. That was a clip of Busy Signal performance at City Splash in London, UK. And man, I tell no lie, he delivered hits after hits, and the entire London accept him. His performance never normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No joke. Talk to no people, and man, not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Busy Signal fans them spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Busy Signal performance at City Splash. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool, is a hit performance or it miss. Yeah man, I want to see all of the fans them spam up the comment section and let me know what go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka and I'm out.